Today we are reading If Animals Kissed Goodnight by Anne Whitford Paul, pictures by David Walker. If animals kissed like we kiss goodnight. Sloth and her cub in the late afternoon's light would hang from a tree and start kissing so slow, the sky would turn pink and the sun sink down low. Peacock and chick would spin a fan dance and kiss with a kickety, high-stepping prance. Mama python and hatchling would kiss waggling round, twirling and twisting like rope loosely wound. Walrus calf and her papa would make whiskery swishes, rubbing each other in scratchy kisses. Mama elephant's trunk would kiss and then sway and shower her calf with a wet washing spray. If animals kissed like we kiss goodnight, the sky would turn dull, the moon a chalk white, and Sloth and her cub still kissing goodnight. Parrot and chick would click-clack their beaks, kissing click-a-clack, 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 cleek. Wolf and his pup would kiss and then howl. Bear and her cub would kiss and then growl. Mama monkey and infant would swing through the trees, smacking their lips in a kissing trapeze. Seal and his calf would blow big bubble kisses that rise to the surface in splashety splishes. If animals kissed like we kiss goodnight, the sky would turn dark with the moon glowing white, and Sloth and her cub still kissing goodnight. Mama penguin and chick would stumble and slide on slippery rocks in a hug and kiss ride. Papa rhino and calf would kiss tip-a-tap-tap, smooching their horns in a tip-a-tap rap. Giraffe and his calf would stretch their necks high and kiss just beneath the top of the sky. Kangaroo and her joey would jumpity-jump, kiss, 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 bounce, bumpity-bump. Hippo and calf would kiss Papa, then they'd settle down deep in the slithery ooze, a mud-happy heap. If animals kissed like we kiss goodnight, the sky would turn black, the moon would shine bright. But Sloth and her cub still kissing goodnight. Let's learn about words. This is a fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. This is a circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. These are grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. This is a clock. C-L-O-C-K. Clock. These are pants. P-A-N-T-S. Pants. This is a top. T-O-P, top. This is a dog. D-O-G, dog. This is a heart. H-E-A-R-T, heart. This is a duck. D-U-C-K, duck. This is a robot. R-O-B-O-T, robot. This is an egg. E-G-G, egg. This is a button. B-U-T-T-O-N, button. This is a goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Great job. Let's learn our capital and lowercase letters. Today, it looks like we're learning about the letter C. This is the letter C, a capital C in fact, and C is for cow. We've got a nice cute little cow here. So it looks like the C is a big loop like that. Do you think we can practice? Let's try it on our piece of paper. So a C is a big loop, capital C. Let's try it again. One big loop. Oh, that's awesome. Let's do another one. One big loop, capital C. One more. One big loop. C. C is for cow. Awesome. Let's see what the lowercase looks like. Oh, look. The lowercase looks just like the uppercase, except it's a bit smaller. Can you tell the difference? The lowercase c and an uppercase C. Let's try drawing a C this time. Okay, ooh, there we go. All right, so a lowercase c, let's do it on this line. Lowercase c looks like this. See the difference? Capital C, lowercase c. Let's try it again. One big loop, lowercase c. Awesome. Let's do it down here and practice some more. Lowercase c. One more here, lowercase c. Little lowercase c. Wow, see the difference? So the uppercase C takes two lines, 1, 2, and the lowercase c takes just one. How cool is that? Let's try one more of each. Okay, let's go ahead and do a capital C here. Capital C. And then we've got a lowercase c. One big one, one small one. You did a great job learning your capital C and your lowercase c. Let's learn our letters. This is a goat. Goat starts with the letter G. This is the letter G. G is for goat. This is a hedgehog. Hedgehog starts with the letter H. This is the letter H. H is for hedgehog. This is a fox. Fox starts with the letter F. This is the letter F. F is for fox. This is a cat. Cat starts with the letter C. This is the letter C. C is for cat. This is a jaguar. Jaguar starts with the letter J. This is the letter J. J is for jaguar. This is an owl. Owl starts with the letter O. This is the letter O. O is for owl. This is a panda. Panda starts with the letter P. This is the letter P. P is for panda. This is an iguana. Iguana starts with the letter I. This is the letter I. I is for iguana. This is a bear. Bear starts with the letter B. This is the letter B. B is for bear. This is a monkey. Monkey starts with the letter M. This is the letter M. M is for monkey. Nicely done. Let's learn shapes and colors. This is a rhombus. What color is this rhombus? It's a purple rhombus. This is a purple rhombus. This is also a rhombus. What color is this rhombus? It's a white rhombus. This is a white rhombus. This is a rectangle. What color is this rectangle? It's a blue rectangle. This is a blue rectangle. This is also a rectangle. What color is this rectangle? It's a brown rectangle. This is a brown rectangle. This is a triangle. What color is this triangle? It's a blue triangle. This is a blue triangle. This is also a triangle. What color is this triangle? It's a black triangle. This is a black triangle. This is an oval. What color is this oval? It's a brown oval. This is a brown oval. This is also an oval. What color is this oval? It's a green oval. This is a green oval. This is a circle. What color is this circle? It's a white circle. This is a white circle. This is also a circle. What color is this circle? It's an orange circle. This is an orange circle. Great job. Let's learn numbers. How many elephants do you see? I see one elephant. This is the number 1. How many lions do you see? I see 1, 2 lions. This is the number 2. How many alligators do you see? I see 1, 2, 3 alligators. This is the number 3. How many cows do you see? I see 1, 2, 3, 4 cows. This is the number 4. How many sheep do you see? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheep. This is the number 5. How many monkeys do you see? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 monkeys. This is the number 6. How many dogs do you see? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dogs. This is the number 7. How many frogs do you see? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 frogs. This is the number 8. How many chickens do you see? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the number 9. How many bees do you see? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bees. This is the number 10. Great job. Let's learn how to spell some words. Looks like we're beginning with an R. Oh, I see an A. And it looks like there's also a C. What do you think we're trying to spell here? I think we're trying to spell car. Do you know how to spell car? It starts with a C. It follows with an A, and it finishes with an R. Car. C-A-R. Spells car. C-A-R is car. One more time with me. Car is spelled C-A-R. Great job. Goodbye, C. See you later, A. After a while, R. Next up, let's do this one. Looks like we're beginning with a W this time. We also have an O. And lastly, it's a C. What do you think we're trying to spell this time? I think this is a picture of a cow. Do you know how to spell cow? It starts with a C. It follows with an O, and it finishes with a W. Cow. C-O-W spells cow. C-O-W is cow. One last time, cow is spelled C-O-W. Great job. Goodbye, C. See you later, O. After a while, W. Next, let's do this one. Look at this one. It looks like a cute round little head, but there's also a B at the bottom. So that's our first letter. I see a G next. Oh, and it looks like a U. This looks like a ladybug. Do you know how to spell bug? It starts with a B. It follows with a U. And it finishes with a G. Bug. B-U-G spells bug. B-U-G is bug. One last time. B-U-G spells bug. Goodbye, B. See you later, U.
After a while, G. Let's do one last word today. How about we do this one? It looks like we're starting off with an E. Huh, would you look at that? We have another E. And we have a B as our third letter. What do you think we're trying to spell this time? I think we're trying to spell B. Do you know how to spell B? It starts with a B, of course, follows with an E, and then it finishes with a second E. Awesome. B. B, E, E spells B. B, E, E is B. One last time. B, E, E spells B. You did an amazing job learning how to spell some words today.